In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a lecture on Udemy on desktop. If you're working through a course and want a quick way to return to a specific moment, Udemy's notes feature doubles as a simple bookmarking tool. Start by opening the lecture video you want to mark in your desktop browser. Let the video load and play or pause wherever you want. You can add a bookmark at any point while the lecture is open. Next, look for the Notes tab or the note icon near or below the video player. Depending on your screen size, you might see it under the video or along the side panel. It's clearly labeled Notes, and when you click it, a Notes panel will slide into view. This panel is where you'll create the bookmark. You can also open this Notes panel without clicking by using a keyboard shortcut. Press the B key or the N key on your keyboard, and the Notes panel will appear instantly. These shortcuts are handy if you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard while watching. With the Notes panel open and the video positioned at the spot you want to return to, type a quick note. It can be as short as a single word or a brief phrase, like key concept or great explanation. The goal is to label the moment so you recognize it later. When you're done typing, press Enter to save the note. As soon as you save it, Udemy automatically attaches a timestamp, linking that note to the exact moment in the lecture you were watching. Think of it as a bookmark that lives inside your course. You don't need to add the time yourself. The platform handles it for you. If you don't have anything specific to write, even a blank note works as a simple marker. Saving an empty note still captures the current time point, so you can use it as a quick placeholder. That said, adding a short label can make it much easier to find what you need later. When you want to jump back to that point, open the Notes panel again the same way. Either click the Notes tab or press B or N. You'll see your saved note listed with its timestamp. Click the note, and Udemy will immediately jump to that exact moment in the lecture, so you can pick up right where you left off. That's it. By using the Notes panel as a bookmark, you can mark key moments, keep your place, and study more efficiently. Try adding a few concise labels as you go, and you'll build a quick index of the most valuable parts of your course.